Hi everyone, welcome to a new video of the Smart Tutoring. We are discussing important multiple choice questions for CBSE Class 10 Science Term 1 examination. In this video, we are discussing questions from the chapter Light, Reflection and Refraction. Question number 1. The mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inward. Option A, convex mirror. B, concave mirror. C, plane mirror. D, cylindrical mirror. The correct answer is option B, concave mirror. Question number 2. The mirror whose reflecting surface is curved outward. Option A, plane mirror. B, concave mirror. C, convex mirror. D, cylindrical mirror. Answer is option C, convex mirror. Question number 3. Light travels fastest in option A, water. B, diamond. C, glass. D, air. Answer is option D, air. Question number 4. The image which is found behind the mirror. Option A, virtual image. B, real image. C, partial image. D, inverted image. The answer is option A, virtual image. Question number 5. Convex lens is also known as A, converging lens. B, diverging lens. C, axial lens. D, radial lens. The answer is option A, converging lens. Question number 6. Which position of the object will produce a magnified virtual image if a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm is being used? Option A, 15 cm. B, 20 cm. C, 30 cm. D, 10 cm. The correct answer is option D, 10 cm. A concave mirror produces magnified virtual and erect image when the object is placed in between pole of the mirror and focus of the mirror. Here the focal length is 15 cm, so the image should be in between 15 cm and 0 cm. So here the correct answer is 10 cm. Question number 7. The deviation of light ray from its path when it travels from one medium to another medium is called option A, refraction. B, reflection. C, dispersion. And D, scattering. The correct answer is option A, refraction. Question number 8. In which of the following the image of an object placed at infinity will be highly diminished and point-sized? Option A, concave mirrors only. Option B, convex mirrors only. Option C, concave lens only. Option D, concave mirrors, concave lens and convex lens. Here the correct answer is option D, concave mirrors, concave lens and convex lens. All these produce highly diminished and point-sized image when the object is placed at infinity. Question number 9. A ray of light is traveling in a direction perpendicular to the boundary of a parallel glass slab. The ray of light, option A, is refracted towards the normal. Option B is refracted away from the normal. Option C is reflected back along the same path. Option D does not get refracted. Here the answer is option D, does not get refracted. Whenever a ray of light is incident perpendicular to the boundary of the two media, it will not get refracted. It will follow the same path. Question number 10. A student traces the path of ray of light passing through a rectangular glass slab. For measuring the angle of incidence, he must position the protractor as shown in figure. Option A, B, figure B, C, figure C, D, figure D. Here the correct answer is option D, that is in figure D. It is the correct way of measuring the angle of incidence. Question number 11. In case of a concave mirror, the size of the object is equal to the size of the image when the object is placed at option A, focus. B, center of curvature. C, pole of the mirror. D, infinity. Here the answer is center of curvature. When the object is placed at center of curvature of a concave mirror, then the image will be formed at the same position, that is at center of curvature, and the size of the image will be same as that of the size of the object. Question number 12. Refractive indices of water, sulfuric acid, glass and carbon disulfide are 1.33, 1.43, 1.53 and 1.63 respectively. Light travels slowest in option A water, B sulfuric acid, C glass, D carbon disulfide. The answer is option D carbon disulfide, because the refractive index of carbon disulfide is more. The refractive index of a medium and speed of light in that medium are inversely proportional to each other. Question number 13. A spherical mirror and a spherical lens each have focal length of minus 10 cm. The mirror and lens are likely to be option A both concave, option B both convex, option C the mirror is concave and the lens is convex, option D the mirror is convex and the lens is concave. The correct answer is option A both concave. The focal length of a concave mirror as well as a concave lens are negative, and that of a convex mirror and convex lens are positive. Question number 14. A light ray enters from medium A to medium B as shown in figure. The refractive index of medium B with respect to medium A is option A greater than 1, B less than 1, C equal to 1, D 0. Here the answer is option A greater than 1, because the light ray bends towards the normal. Question number 15. A 10 cm long pencil is placed vertically in front of a concave mirror. A 5 cm long image of the pencil is formed at 30 cm in front of the mirror. The focal length of the mirror is option A 30 cm, option B minus 30 cm, option C 20 cm, option D minus 20 cm. Correct answer is option D minus 20 cm. Here the object distance h is equal to 10 cm, image distance h dash is equal to 5 cm. Therefore the image formed is a diminished image. A diminished image is formed in between the center of curvature and focus of a concave mirror. In this case, the focal length will be less than the image distance, that is less than 30 cm, and it is given that the mirror is concave and therefore the focal length will be negative. So the answer will be option D minus 20 cm. Question number 16. Which of the following ray diagrams is correct for the ray of light incident on a concave mirror as shown in figure? Option A figure A, option B figure B, option C figure C, option D figure D. The correct answer is option D figure D. That is, a ray of light parallel to the principal axis of a concave mirror after reflection will always pass through the principal focus of the mirror. Therefore, figure D is the correct one. Question number 17. You are given water, mustard oil, glycerin and kerosene. In which of these media a ray of light incident obliquely at the same angle would bend the most? Option A water, B mustard oil, C glycerin, D kerosene. The correct answer is option C glycerin. Glycerin has more refractive index and therefore the ray of light will bend more in it. Question number 18. The magnification produced by a mirror is -2. It implies that the nature of the image is option A real inverted and magnified, option B real inverted and diminished, option C virtual erect and magnified, option D virtual erect and diminished. Here the correct answer is option A real inverted and magnified. Here the magnification is -2. Minus sign indicates that the image is real and inverted, and the magnitude of magnification is more than 1, and therefore the image is a magnified image. Question number 19. A concave mirror gives real inverted and same size image if the object is placed option A at focus, B at infinity, C at the center of curvature, D beyond center of curvature. Here the correct answer is option C at center of curvature. That is, a concave mirror produces real inverted and same size image when the object is placed at center of curvature. Question number 20. The path of ray of light passing through a rectangular glass lamp traced by 4 students are shown in figure. Which of them is correct? Option A. Option B, B. Option C, C. Option D, D. Here the correct option is option B, B. The figure B is the correct one. Let's wind up the video here. We can discuss more questions in the next part. Please like, share, comment the video, subscribe the channel and enable the bell icon. Thank you for watching.